In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom fields private in Asana. Custom fields in Asana are essentially the columns that you see in your project list tables. They provide a powerful way to organize and manage tasks, offering the flexibility you need to tailor them according to your project's specific requirements. One of the standout features of Asana is the ability to create these custom fields and even share them across various projects within your organization. However, there might be instances where you prefer to keep certain fields private, restricting access to them. Let me guide you through the process of making a custom field private. To get started, focus your attention on the top right corner of your Asana project page. You'll notice a button labeled Customize. Proceed to click on it. Once clicked, you'll see an option named Fields. Selecting this will reveal a comprehensive list of all the fields that are currently being utilized in your project. It's here where you can customize your project's data entry fields. Now, look for the specific custom field that you wish to make private. Click on that field, and a new window labeled Edit Field will appear. Within this window, located at the top right, is an option called Manage Access. This is your gateway to controlling who gets to interact with this field and in what capacity. So, click on Manage Access, and you'll find yourself in the section where you can manage the accessibility of the custom field. Next, direct your attention to the drop-down menu under Field Access. Click on this drop-down and select Private Field. With this selection, the custom field will only be accessible to you and others you've explicitly granted access to. It's crucial to be aware that this feature, adjusting field access permissions, is exclusively available for users on the Asana Enterprise Plan. The Enterprise Plan offers enhanced administrative controls and advanced data access management features, enabling organizations to increase security and compliance. However, if you find yourself not currently subscribing to the Enterprise Plan, don't worry. There's an alternative way to protect the integrity of your custom fields. You can set the custom field members' permissions to user only. What this means is that while users can still utilize the custom fields in their tasks and project operations, their ability to edit or delete these fields remains restricted. This ensures that your data layout and organization remain intact, safeguarded from unintended modifications. And that's all it takes to make your custom fields private in Asana. It's a straightforward process that helps you maintain control over your project's sensitive or specialized data. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay organized and efficient in managing your projects.